Tired of constantly switching your Astro A50 between your PS5 and PC? Today, we'll show you how to use your Astro A50 on both your PS5 and PC simultaneously for peak audio quality and zero hassle. First, physically connect the base station to your PS5 using the USB port labeled for PlayStation. Then, connect the second USB to an available port on your PC. On your PS5, navigate to Settings, then Sound, and then Audio Output. Make sure your input device and output device are both set to Astro A50. Set your output to headphones to all audio. Next, on your PC, right-click on the speaker icon in your system tray and select Open Sound Settings under Input. Choose Astro A50 as your input device under Output. Also select Astro A50 as your output device. Now download and install the Astro Command Center software if you haven't already. This allows you to customize your EQ settings and microphone levels for both platforms. For simultaneous audio, connect an AUX cable from your PC's line out or headphone jack to the AUX port on the back of the Astro A50 base station. This will pipe your PC audio directly into your headset alongside your PS5 audio. That's it. Now you can enjoy game audio from your PS5 and seamlessly manage chat or listen to music from your PC, all through the same Astro A50 headset. Enjoy lag-free audio mixing and easy console to computer audio.